All right, so we're on week 1 here. Every week I will post an overview of what's happening this week. So hopefully previous to coming to class, you've done the open house. You've watched the Welcome to Science video, the open house video, and the pandemic syllabus you've reviewed. And if you have, that means today, Monday, is what's going on. So always view this video first for the week. It just gives you a little bit of overview. I just want to help you out. I also have a to-do list. It tells you what to do each day. I'm not going to read through everything here, but it's a solid reminder for what you to do. But basically, everything in the folder is the order you should do it and the order that it's done. So if you're in school today, you're doing stuff with me, and we might even be watching this video. Okay, so you're going to go into Monday. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to make sure that I set up my iPad. If you're in school, we're doing that in every single class. Next, I'm watching this screencast if I'm online about the core syllabus. If not, we'll do it together in class. I'm going to read over the syllabus, read this article about how to be a good student. I'm going to fill out this day 1 feedback reflection. One attempt is just giving me a little bit of feedback about how distance learning went last year for you and all that kind of stuff. Notice Tuesday, I can expect to practice using notability, and I'm doing something with observation versus inference. So here, a little background for your iPad, a reminder for tutorials if you didn't do it Monday. How to go split screen on the iPad, how to use notability. You're going to watch this video lecture and submit this assignment. Notice with the assignment, there's notes here. You're going to have to download that and then use it to take notes and then upload it back to through Notability to the app. Okay. Wednesday, you're completing this About Me digital card. You're going to take this observation versus inference homework quiz. It's very simple. You get 2 attempts at it. Directions for the assignment, and then you're making the digital card. There's an example, and here you're just going to click on it, and you're going to open your About Me card. That little, sorry about that. The little, when you click on it, it'll have a little card open right here, and you're going to click on it. Sorry, I can't, don't know why you're going to see it. Okay, you're going to submit it once you're done. Okay. Next, on Thursday, what you're going to do is you're going to take entry 1 notes. And really the big idea here is I just want you to get really good with notability. So I'm going to watch a video lecture, same thing as Tuesday. You're going to download the notes, write on them with notability, and then resubmit them again. And with the notes, there's an assignment attached at the end. So your job is just to finish that all in one day. And then Friday, we have directions for an activity that you're going to complete and finish that. And big idea here is that whether you're an A or a B learner or full-time distance, your job is to do each of these things every day. Okay, each of these things every day. And the goal is to give you small, manageable tasks to complete every single day. And in class this week, we're doing something similar, if not the exact same thing. So it doesn't matter whether you're A, B, or distance, you're getting the same exact items here. So every week should be set up very similar to this, a walkthrough, a to-do list, and then the days set up here. So don't be surprised if things change much different than that. All right, guys. Love you. Have a great weekend or week. I can't wait to meet you if I haven't met you yet. And we'll go from there.